Does insulation reduce noise between walls? Yes, but you've got to use the right insulation. There are some insulations which actually make noise worse in homes. It normally comes down to the technique in which they're installed. For example, if you build a traditional stud frame and you use rigid insulation, this is a PIR board, and the noise travels so easily through this, and it travels more easily through this PIR board rigid insulation than it does, say, a rock wall. If you install a wall like this using a rigid insulation with an air gap, this will actually make the noise worse in your home. It will channel the noise into those hollow voids, such as this hollow floor void or hollow ceiling void, making the noise worse. So although you've used a really thick insulation, because you've used the wrong insulation to reduce the noise between walls, it's actually made the noise worse. And when you're stood immediately in front of that stud wall and your neighbours stood immediately the other side, it can feel different. It can feel like you've reduced the noise, but you might find you've made the noise worse in other rooms because you've channeled the noise into other rooms. There are a variety of different sound insulations which can come in form of rock wool, viscoelastic membranes, mass-loaded vinyl, fiberboard, cement board, sound block board. There are a wide variety of different sound insulations that can reduce noise between walls. The more variety of different sound insulations you use to reduce noise between walls, the wider frequencies of noise you will reduce between walls. If you're interested in learning more about this, then click the link in my bio and get yourself a free copy of the book, The Noise Free Home.